Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.2.08 Cost Workup Sheet Layout. The Cost Workup Sheet Layout is a table format that figuratively simulates the fixture physical appearance and fabrication design for the calculation of fixture cost. Every Cost Workup Sheet consists of 3 tables. First, the detail table, in which all cost calculations are performed. Second, the category table, which is a summary of the detail table. And third, the summary table, which condenses the category table into 10 rows with columns to display materials, labor, and markup. Markup is not included in the detail or category tables. The 3 cost workup sheet tables are divided into 2 sections. All materials are listed first, followed by all labor processes. In the materials categories, cabinet materials are listed first, followed by finishing materials. In the labor section, machining processes are listed first, followed by all other processes, including laminating, assembly, mounting, and ending with finishing. Material and labor are categorized and listed in specific order. This calculation works only if every piece of material is input and every material input is identified in all labor processes. There are 7 cost workup sheet formats. The category layout is uniform for all cost workup sheet formats. The details assigned to the categories of materials and labor differs between the cost workup sheet formats. The 7 cost workup sheet formats are: Format 1 is the main format used in the majority of cost workups. Its focus is on the basic cabinet structure. The detail table is comprised of 2,136 rows. The category table has 47 rows of material groups. Format 2, for doors. The name describes its focus. The detail table is comprised of 1,034 rows. The category table has 23 rows of material groups. Format 3, for drawers. The name describes its focus. The detail table is comprised of 1,220 rows. The category table has 34 rows of material groups. Format 4, for shelves. The name describes its focus. The detail table is comprised of 1,005 rows. The category table has 32 rows of material groups. Format 5, for edge talkers, sometimes called shelf trays. The name describes its purpose. The detail table is comprised of 1,181 rows. The category table has 35 rows of material groups. Format 6, for graphics, signs, visuals. The name describes its focus. The detail table is comprised of 827 rows. The category table has 27 rows of material groups. Format 7, for lights. The name describes its focus. The detail table is comprised of 610 rows. The category table has 4 rows of material groups. Review topic 17, diagram of cost workup table, on the table's definitions abbreviation sheet to get a broad look at the overall layout of the detailed table on the cost workup sheets. Review topic 18, Table of Worksheet Categories on the Tables Definitions Abbreviation sheet to get an overall view of the categories table on the cost workup sheets. This example 2.2.08 is completed. Continue the example by clicking item 2.2.09.